Hi everyone. Well, we just had the good news for investors that the capital gains tax is done and over. It's not going to happen, and we know reasons for that politically. But the point is, since the government's been talking about the capital gains tax being introduced with all sorts of forms as being one of the most horribly taxed countries in the world, business confidence has dropped. And this has also led to the reason why a lot of property values have been dropping after all. If you've got no business confidence, people don't want to invest, they don't want to expand their businesses, they want to buy shares, and in fact you'll be chasing off effectively overseas investors if capital gains tax came in. The good thing about it, it's gone, and I know for the opposite of that having gone now is that the business confidence will come back. Business confidence is very important. It gives the assurity of every person in the country that they're going to retain their jobs, businesses will grow. If businesses grow, they send the profitability to other parts of their company to grow more business and to provide more jobs, which is what's most important. It's horrible to think that if you may lose your job there, no one wants to build a house. And this is why it's so important having confidence in the economic business world. No confidence is not good for us, but now we have the confidence coming back. Capital gains tax is gone, so now is the opportunity to get back into the market. What I foresee now in the next 12 months is a lot of mum and dad property investors will now think, oh okay, it's a good idea, let's get back to buying a second or third property to provide for their children when they come of age. But anyway, cheers everyone, come on board and let's look at the investing world.